We were looking at investment in a project which reflects our vision of a lifestyle.
Actually, I'm an investor. I invest in a good location, good builder.
The lake view is there, and the other side the serene campus of the entire green university is there. 53 amenities, theme park, open areas, libraries.
This is the one which we have sorted it out. So obviously, as compared to all the projects and builders in Hyderabad, I think this stood out for us.
Definitely this location is really good and the economic will do better and people will start moving in from their hometown to Hyderabad. It's very center of the city.
We were very impressed and very much liked the project.
The most important thing is it faces Gopi Cheruvu lake, and where we invested, we have a wonderful view of that lake.
And whatever I had seen so far, the kind of approach, the kind of thought process gone in building the particular society is little different than the other I found. And especially when something where you are investing or you are thinking of a home where you will stay lifelong.